Special announcement from the Nigerian Communication Commissions. Listen attentively. I no go repeat am 2 times. Right now, they say every Nigerian is required to start submitting their phone's IMEI number by July. For now, we no know the meaning. Now, International Mobile Equipment Identity. And according to NCC, they announced during their revised national identity policy for SIM cards registration. They say this policy now go allow government to be able to identify every phone that is in use in Nigeria. And in case your IMEI, either they steal them or they, I don't know what they call it, become illegal. In case any of these things happen, they say they go just share this thing through DMS, bam, to all operators and service providers. Now the announcement where they come from una NCC be this one. No, my person tell me say Nigeria is not a joke. Tell me that Nigeria is not a joke as soon as they listen to me like this. I don't understand. Now these people buy us phone. Now on our phone, me will submit this one by July. No, my question now be say, wetin be the need of link? Wetin they call it? Linking these SIM cards to NIN. When I don't leave NIN now, when I don't enter IMEI, I don't understand. Wetin be the need of linking this SIM cards to NIN since we have to submit this same IMEI again? I don't understand how these people they think sometimes. Something is wrong, oh. Something is seriously wrong. But no. The only people when know wetin they sub now the Northerners. All of the rest of now just did they catch cruise. Something is happening. But I never feel place my hand on top. They are planning something. And with the way they see the signs, it's going to be something disastrous. Just like that. They don't make us fight. NIN, we don't fight. They even threaten us. The thing even become, I don't even know what to call it. If they get chance, if they go arrest you for NIN. Now, they have left that one, bam. Every time now they bring policies where no get head, they no get tail, they no get head. I know that's why Nigeria not fit improve technology. Why can't, I don't understand why we not fit improve technology. Confused set of people where they just sit down there, they bring us nonsense thing. I don't get any problem with you now. You want to this thing by July, Abi? No problem. Start from the north. When you start from all those states where they not. Start from them. Una think say una dey wise. Hey, I never feel place my hand. I still dey try. Una no see me as I get and as I dey drop am. I still dey think am. But no worry. The latest update for this one, I go tell you now because for now, just keep and say these people are planning something disastrous. Not be only IMEI. Now IFFG. Una no go settle for something, finish that thing. Now wait till I notice for these people. They will bring, for instance, now they go bring paper. We never finish the soft paper matter. They go bring biro. We never finish biro. They go come tell us say no. Let's start with Fanta. We never like that. Do you know? You know how many things these people bring up where they live on halfway. We know how many. Now the CCTV, body cams. Wait till they record that one. Security officials, new one where they say from this one different things today where they did. When last you hear about all these things? No, for una to see. Say these people they just use us play. They use us play. People, government, Nigeria government, if una no get any constructive message to give us, it better me una no talk. Just leave am like that. You know that sound. Just leave am. We no need. We have suffered. Oh, in case you don't know. We deserve better than this because we deserve better. For how long? No, for how long when I want to continue this merry-go-round every day with the beats about and around the same bush? No wahala. Me, I no even know where to even finish this matter like this, because as I dey like this, I dey look for where we go settle this one, and where else na for here. I need know wetin una think concerning this international mobile equipment identity. Abeg, start dey drop am for that side. What do you think? You agree say by July you need to start submit am, abi no, since no be dem buy us phone, make we just kukuma relax? Which one you dey for? I wan know for that comment section. And why not, abeg share this video, make the whole Nigeria know wetin dey shele now is on fire, and click on that notification bell too, so that you no go miss anything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.